So this is the Parweld XTT 202 AC/DC. It's a 230 amp single phase TIG welding machine with AC or DC welding output. So basically it means you can weld any ferrous or non-ferrous metal with it with ease, up to about a thickness of 6 millimeters. The machine itself is supplied with a 2 meter mains cable, a 2 meter gas supply hose, a torch trigger plug and clamps for the gas hose, and a work return lead. If you buy the machine with the optional torch package, you'll receive a Parweld Pro Grip Max TIG torch. The Pro Grip Max TIG torch. It's a fantastic torch, very flexible with a leather cover and ball joint on the back of the handle, and comes fitted up with a 3-button remote control unit. This allows you to adjust the amperage up or down while you're welding, so really brings out the full features of the machine. And the back of the torch is configured ready to go straight onto the machine. We'll just run through the controls on the machine. On the back of the machine we've got the on-off switch, as mentioned before, the mains input cable and the gas supply connection. On the front of the machine we've got the main operating controls. So on the front panel of the machine we've got the AC or DC welding mode, 2 TO40 trigger operation, that's a momentary or latching operation, gas test button, HF start for TIG, and a TIG pulse mode. Over on the other side we've got a number of controls for stick welding. Once you're in stick welding mode you can toggle through adjusting the arc length, arc force and hot start functions. In the main area on the front of the machine we've got a control knob here and toggle buttons to move backwards and forwards around the pictogram. So starting off with you've got the pre-flow, start current, ramp up, main welding current, ramp down, final current and post gas settings. And you can see on the main display up here it toggles between the whichever function you're displaying, so seconds, percentage, frequency and so on. So it's very easy and straightforward to set. And then lower down on the front of the machine you've got the positive connection for the work lead if you're TIG welding, trigger connection socket, negative connection for the torch, and the gas connection for the torches also. So we'll connect the torch onto the front now. Take torch into the negative socket and lock it up. Gas hose on. Trigger socket in. Correct orientation there. And then the work return lead into the positive connection. So it's ready to weld now. Switch on the machine at the rear. So we're set up to do AC welding for aluminium, 40 trigger mode, HF start. Function wise we've got a 1.4 millisecond pre-flow, 34 amp start current, 0.8 second upslope, 66 amps welding current, 1.6 downslope, 30 amp final current, 2 second final post gas, and then AC balance about 24%. That's the amount of cleaning we're going to get, and an AC frequency set at currently at 100 Hertz. I'll just now toggle back to display the amperage there. So